Love is a complex and multifaceted emotion, and there are numerous reasons why someone might not reciprocate feelings of love. Here are a few possibilities. 1. Different emotional connection. They might not feel the same level of emotional or romantic connection. Love is deeply personal and sometimes the chemistry or bond just isn't there. 2. Past experiences. Previous relationships and emotional baggage can significantly impact someone's ability to open up to new love. They might be healing from past hurts or betrayals. 3. Different life goals. People have different priorities and life goals. Someone might respect and care for the person who loves them, but their paths might not align for a long-term relationship. 4. Personal growth and independence. Some individuals prioritize their own personal growth or independence at certain points in their lives, which can make committing to a romantic relationship challenging. It's always important to approach these situations with empathy and understanding. Everyone's journey with love is unique. If you've experienced this, know that it's a part of life's intricate tapestry, and your feelings are valid. Do you have any personal experiences or thoughts on this you'd like to share?